Okay, so anyway, they've made some changes to Instagram, and let's just go ahead and open it up and take a look at the app. So here's my Instagram app, and if you look at the bottom, they've got this a little bit different. It's like this little thing. It's got a play button. It's like a movie. It's not the normal thing that's usually there. And if you press it, watch what happens. You start to see videos. Isn't that crazy? So let's go back to the front page. So here, if you hit this, you're watching videos. If you go here, bam, you're at the front page. So how do you upload a video? Well, what you have to do is you've got to slide up here, and you got to click on this plus button up here. Now they've moved it. Bam. And that opens up your things. So I'm going to add this video. I'm going to go next. And we're going to put this on there. And I'm going to hit next again. And I'm going to go, see, it's black now. It's different. I'm going to go Delray Beach. I'm going to write something in there. I'm going to write kite surfing. That should do it, right? And then let's put a hashtag. Kite. See what pulls up. Yeah, whatever. And that'll be good. Now I'm going to hit OK. And I'm going to just hit share. And now that video is going to be shared on there. See how it's sliding in? That's how you do it. That's the new situation for your Instagram. And in a couple seconds, it should be there. Hopefully. We'll see. Getting there. All right, there we are. We're in. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff on your iPhone. Peace out.